What's going on, everyone? Good evening. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. We are live. Knocking out this mini for this Galchenyuk Mason Raz. It's 12:11 a.m. here on the East Coast. Got our list right here. Looking for the top 7 spots. List posted. Wilson at the top. Wilson at the bottom. Need at least 5. 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Justin at the top. Wilson at the bottom. Ready for this final round. Good luck, everyone. It's 12-13. 12-13. Final round. As our winners, Wilson, Brian, Matthew, Justin twice, Brian again, and Richie coming in. Congratulations, winners.